Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the violence in West Kingston has reached a disturbing level. A politician is now being targeted by gunmen.
The police have confirmed the reports, are adding that the councillor for the Denham Town Division has been receiving death threats. Kirk Wright has the details.
The councillor, who says he's shaken by the ordeal, says he, along with other persons, were standing at the corner of Tulip and Chestnut Lanes discussing community business when he was fired at. He says a single bullet pierced his motor vehicle to the area where he would usually sit. The police have confirmed the incident.
We have been carrying out investigation, and at this time we have identified a main suspect in this matter, and that main suspect goes by the alias Beanie Man. His correct name is Romario Brown, and we are urging him to come in to us as he's wanted in connection with this particular shooting.
The police say they have information that Mr. Hart is being targeted.
We have been receiving reports of alleged threats on the life of this particular councillor. Suffice it to say that we did take some action and assign him a close protection officer.
The police say members of the security forces who were nearby engaged the gunmen in a shootout, but no one was reportedly hurt. In the meantime, Mr. Hart says he stands resolute and that the incident will not deter him from entering the community to conduct the people's business. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.